again. You see where I'm at. I gotta do a video with you guys over some of these. Look at all these engines. These are not cores. These are recycled trucks. A cat right there. Ooh, right there. You know, whole bunch of. I think this is a DD15. Mercedes. Whole bunch. There we go. Jacob here again. Just wanted to show you this. You might have seen it before, another video. It's the Firetruck. Got the cab all up on it right now. The older one. Not too old, I don't think, but it's pretty wild. So, I'll show you this real quick. Check it out. Alright, see the cab here. It's all reinforced and stuff. And we got a Cummins 24 valve up in here. I thought it would have something bigger, but it's just a 24 valve Cummins in here. This is got no emissions on it, no DPF or nothing. But it does have an Allison. There's the batteries, the air tanks. You see the body. And up there's all the controls. Let's take a look gander at that. Ooh, that's pretty wild. It's a pump truck too, and also it's a ladder truck. It's got the extension that comes out here on the side to lower down the ladders. It's pretty wild. Yeah, I don't know if you guys are interested in this. I mean, I never worked on no fire trucks, so yeah, no EGR, nothing. So this is a good one. There goes the fire truck. Wow. All right, well, that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe.